Okay, let's play some Targaryen Reigns today. We got some weird stuff from the opponent. Nice watch, Assault from the Shadows. I have not seen this, so I don't know what's going to happen here. Props to him for playing something different. Oh, these card sizes are looking weird. These better not mess me up. Oh my goodness. These cards are way too big. Shit. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's see how big the cards are. Why are they so big? Look at that. This might not be playable. I guess we put it on Eerie. Alright, we're just gonna have to deal with it, I guess. Oh man. There's no way I can change that during the game, which is super frustrating. Well, we can see it sort of well enough, I think, to play. We can see it sort of well enough. Next time I'll try to make sure this doesn't happen. I think we just go Daenerys. Don't see why not. Sure, let's toss this guy in. Actually, probably should not have marshaled that, because he'll probably play a reset. But I think it's okay. Yeah, I could have put it in with the breaker of chains if I wanted to, so kind of a waste. Kind of a waste, but whatever. A Targaryen loyalist usually does not decide the game one way or the other. There's no way we can change this mid-game, can we? Only apply at the start of your next game. Come on, man. Why? Oh! Oh, we fixed it! Okay, I take it back. Excellent. The problem is solved. Look at that. Well, this looks like a builder's deck. I'll be interested to see why he has Assault from the Shadows as his agenda with builders. I will be interested to see what the logic is there. I guess we're going to find out. Abandoned Stronghold. That's going to be an annoying card. It's already going to be really tough to win challenges with Stronghold and Castle Black. So there's a card going into Shadows already. Don't really know what it could be. We can go for a big intrigue, but do these schemes really accomplish anything? Not really. I definitely want to win a military, but there's no way Jorah's getting past what he has on military. I don't know, let's try it, I guess. Make him use one of the location abilities. Isle of Ravens again, that's frustrating. Come on, stop playing this card, guys. People don't use Flea Bottom anymore. I still use Flea Bottom. Nobody else does. That's what's frustrating about it. Is he going to use the Stronghold? I guess he is. Just kneeling the wrong location there. Alright. What is this, 11? Yeah, we win this. But it doesn't really accomplish that much, unfortunately. Like I said, none of the schemes are that good here. Kind of sucks. I should have just done it with Daenerys by herself. It was a misplay. That's what I should have done. I think I have the stand token, though. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. Alright, got rid of Nightmares. There's Flea Bottom for all of the use that it's going to be, which is very little. I don't think he will reset yet. Maybe after I play Rhaegal. Don't think he would reset this board. I don't care about military. Not this turn, at least. This is good claim soak, but the Freedmen would have been pretty good claim soak, too. Oh, he just finished the challenges, sure. Just doesn't want to let Daenerys win another challenge. I guess that's okay. I should have just used the stand token without waiting, and then I would have at least won dominance, even if he passed. So that was a bit of a misplay. I go late summer feast and set up Astapor. Might be a little bit overkill on the gold. If we go forced march, we only have like 6. That's not as much as I want. Return to the fields. It's okay, but not great yet. Sure, let's just do it. Maybe we'll top deck something good. Trade routes, huh? You're not burning flea bottom? I mean, this is obviously a core wall deck. I would think you would want flea bottom, but sure. So that's a really good card, I think, in this matchup. Let's just play Rhaegal. I think Illyrio is overcommitting. It's the only other card in the hand, and like he's probably going to do Dohaeris if I play Illyrio. Do I put Milk on Spare Boot? I could. I mean, if we're going to put it on anything this game, we might as well put it on Spare Boot. Sure, why not? I highly doubt that it matters, but it's probably like the only character in his deck that can take attachments. And it's theoretically relevant if he uses Practice Blade, because Spare Boot can like move Practice Blade onto himself to mess with challenges. Well, there's Milk. That was inevitable. Ooh, Halder. That's a very annoying card. Still no wall, though, which is very good. Alright, so the Milk was worth it because he did have a Practice Blade. Another Shadows card. Maybe the wall is in Shadows. He has 5 gold. He could put the wall in Shadows. So let's not mess this up by doing a big intrigue and then not getting it through. Let's not do that. We have... If we go with these, then we have 13, 17, 19. That's way too much, right? There's no way. There's no way, man. Let's just do this. I want to flip out of Late Summer Feast, and I want to do Wildfire Assault. Wildfire Assault's pretty good here. Well, that's annoying. Oh, I messed up. I can't use Dracarys. Misplay. That's too bad. Well, let's do this to make sure we get it through. No, Hand's Judgment? Stop. Man, I hate this game. That was a fail, but there's no way I could know he had Hand's Judgment and Nightmares. No way I could have known. Well, this turn was a huge fail, to put it mildly. I definitely messed up there by not using Jorah instead of Rhaegal. At least he's completely out of cards. He has one card in Shadows, I guess. I guess I should have marshaled Flea Bottom, even though he has Isle of Ravens. Not really any reason not to. I guess Intrigue Claim is a reason not to. So now the Flea Bottom could potentially get intrigued instead of one of the good cards. Unfortunately, did not happen. Okay, let's go exchange. Since he discarded my Illyrio. Oh, wait. We do this. Forgot Daenerys is milked. This sucks. I'll probably have to give him another milk from his exchange here. We just have to hope that we draw another big character. That's what we have to hope for. No milk, but Craven is about as bad. Craven is also pretty bad. I'm not sure which one is actually worse. Wow, what a garbage top deck. But that's just my luck. I mean, if I don't play a draw plot and I need something specific, it's pretty typical that I just won't ever draw it. It's not looking good, this game. It's not looking good. The only reason I'm not dead completely is he still doesn't have the wall. But as soon as he plays that, I think I lost this game. I needed better draws. If I had just drawn, like, I don't know, one other decent character here, I think it really could have helped. Oh, double Craven. That's wonderful. The watch has need, huh? 9 reserves. Seems pretty good. He's not making very good use of the Shadows agenda. I do have to say that. The only card that he brought out of Shadows was, I think, Hand's Judgment. So he's been getting -1 gold every turn to discount Hand's Judgment by 1 gold because it costs 0 instead of 1. It's actually pretty bad. And I think that's all we can do because the hand is garbage. We got extremely bad top decks. It's unfortunate. I wonder if he's going to pass challenges or pass challenges. I think I know which one he's going to do. Let's find out. No nightmares, please. Or Hand's Judgment, for that matter. So he could have more of those. Oh, look, I was correct. How did I know that that would happen? I'm really good at this game. Let's just go all in on intrigue, man. Why the hell not? This is definitely our only way to do anything. There's no way we can win a power, and military doesn't matter at all. So we just try this, but I don't think it's going to work. I do not think. If it does work, I'll laugh. I'll be very amused. I'll be highly amused if this actually goes through. I guess it's a little tricky for him. Unless he has like another Nightmares or Hand's Judgment, that'll make it way easier for him. Let's just do this right away. I'm not actually sure which one gives more of a strength buff, this or Halder. But I'm too lazy to find out. I'll just pick that one. Oh, he just gave it to me. Okay. Well, he might regret that. He might regret that. Now military claim might matter. Pretty sure we keep these three. Daenerys is still good even with the Craven honor. I'm not going to kill her. Compared to Jorah and Friedman. He killed Halder. That was nice of him. So we're still behind even though we pulled that off, because look at his hand and look at our hand. That's pretty bad. And he's doing these Castle Black Masons, which is also pretty bad. There's no way he doesn't have the wall at this point. He just hasn't been able to marshal it yet. That's my feeling. Oh, milk. That's great. Okay. Let's get this guy. Will be nice if we can get him back. This is a game where I need counting coppers. Counting coppers would actually be better than exchange here. Exchange is not likely to get me any characters. Not any that matter, but let's still try it. Trade routes, huh? He already did a trade routes. This guy really likes his gold. But to be fair, he's drawn 1 billion cards. So I think it makes sense. Yeah, I mean, what character do I get here? Like Viserion? It's not that good. Oh, Daenerys dupe. That is good because he doesn't know. He doesn't know that I play Return to the Fields. He is not aware. Damn, wish I had known I would draw this or and I would kill Rhaegal. Oh well. Yeah, see, even though we did that Wildfire Assault, look how much resources he still has. 9 cards in hand and all this gold. So we're still probably going to lose. There's no way. That's the official prediction. He made himself first player. I'm not sure why he did that. Is there ever a reason you want to go first as the Night's Watch in this matchup? I really don't think there is. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. Who plays that card, man? I haven't seen that one in a while. But it is good against Astapor, there's no doubt about it. Come on, play the wall already. What are you doing? I mean, at a bare minimum, like, kneel these two with the Castle Black Mason and try to find it. So you can just marshal it. Alright, that's enough. There's no way we ever win this game. So, props to the opponent for winning, but I don't see the point of the Shadows agenda here. Like, I don't see how this is any... Like, he really didn't do anything with the Shadows agenda at all. Oh well, that's builders, man. We got friggin' buildered. It happens. It happens.